sometimes information needs to be distributed to the public. So, let's say that, the police want a copy of the report, but I want to go ahead and maintain the integrity of for example, I want to maintain the integrity of the victim of my document. So I don't want that name to be printed in the document. I have the ability to actually redact that out of the document. So if I pull up the redaction feature, I can go ahead and search for a report, 15 dash, just go ahead and do a wildcard search. I'll go ahead and click on this one. So here I can go ahead and redact information out of the report. So if we look at the original document, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this. For example, I'm going to go ahead and distribute it. Maybe I'm distributing it to the press. Maybe I'm distributing it to the police department, whatever. Mary Smith is very important to us as an organization, and it's important for her to have her information remain confidential. So I want to say, hey, you know what? I don't have to recreate the report. I don't want to have to, print it out and mark it with a pen and then scan it back in. With Presynct's redaction feature, you just go ahead, click redaction, type in her name, Mary Smith. I'm going to say, you know what? We're not going to be case sensitive. So you can pull out all of the everywhere Mary Smith exists within that. You have to use a comma to separate different items. So I click submit, and what it'll do is it'll display for me a redacted version of that report where Mary Smith's name, now we're going to be able to maintain the confidentiality of Mary Smith if this document has to go somewhere. Now, the nice, people can trust us as an organization to make sure that their information remains confidential with things like our redaction feature, encryption, database encryption, encrypting names at rest in the database. We have all of that within Presynct.